Hello everybody, how's it going? This is Mr. Brewer here. If you're watching this, congrats on staying with this whole packet work up to the very end here. This is 8-5. 8-5. We're looking at proportions in triangles, similarities. The main things here were the Side-Splitter Theorem. The Side-Splitter Theorem. And the triangle angle bisector theorem. So I'm not going to go over those. Those are included in the notes. I'm just going to go over the packet work here. So let's start with number 1, solving for x. So what the Side-Splitter Theorem does is it, if you have parallel lines here, these are parallel. What it does is it makes a good proportion, from this top triangle to the overall larger triangle. Meaning if this side here is 8 and this side is 10, we can say that's an 8 to 10 proportion, and that's equal to 6 over x. So what we're doing is we're solving for x here. So the way we can do that is cross multiplying. 8x equals 60. And then we divide by 8 on each side. X is going to equal 60 divided by 8, which is 7.5. I think, yeah, 7.5. So x equals 7.5 there. Okay, that's what the Side-Splitter Theorem does. It says that this side, okay, this from here to the top, and then from the bottom corner to the middle, this is a direct proportion, and that this side here of the triangle is also going to have that same proportion. Okay, so let's look at number 2. Our triangle is like this. This is x plus 4, and this is 2x. That's 9 and 12. So I'm going to set up my ratios here. These are proportionate. X plus 4 over 2x shares the same proportion as 9 over 12. And then to solve for x, I'll cross multiply these. That's 9 times 2. Distribute, I have 12x plus 48 equals 18x. Subtract the 12, 48 equals 6x, x equals 8. Okay, so you can plug that in. Your sides would be 12 and 16. So that's basically a 3 to 4 ratio. 9 over 12 is also 3 to 4, so that works. Next one we have triangle, looks kind of like a right triangle. 13 minus x, x, and then 2 and 3. So set this up same way. Cross multiply. Add. X equals 5.2. Okay, and then you can plug those in and check. Alright, so go ahead and flip the page. Alright, so let me zoom back here a little bit. Numbers 4 through 7. Okay, so these work very much the same as the Side-Splitter Theorem. Let me bend this page. Four through 7. Use the figure at right to complete its proportion. A is proportionate to B, these top two ones, as blank is proportionate to E. So if A is proportionate to B, it must be D. Okay, so A over B is the same ratio as D over E. Notice how A is slightly longer than B, D is slightly longer than E. Hey, I'm gonna stop the video.